Hello everyone, I am back with a review of the Tweezerman. Don't know if you could see it. So a few years ago I was watching a YouTuber here on YouTube, a very popular YouTuber, and she mentioned this in one of her faves and she said it was a great product. She loved it, and I thought it might be a really good idea because I do have some, whiskers that I plug out, but I never got around it and I never looked for it, and I just let the years go by. So the other day I was in Target and right there in my face and I saw this and I was like, this is that tool that I saw, so it might be a good time to try it. So I did purchase it. It was $20, which I believe is a little pricey. It's very pricey actually. It was $20 and it came in with this clip right here. It came with an actual tweezer, and I looked at the price. They also sell it at Sephora, and it's also, it costs the same amount. So the Tweezerman with free tweezerette. I guess this is called a tweezerette. So basically the idea is to take this and put it on your skin, and then these things right here, you roll it toward the directions of the arrow. So once I got it, I spent a good deal amount of time trying this product. So before I could try it, by looking at like the ring right here, it got really scary for me. I thought my hair would get caught in it and it would just pull on my face. So I had a little bit of anxiety going in, but as I started trying it, I was like, I was afraid for nothing because it's not doing anything. It's not catching the hair. I could go over like a spot of hair and then past that spot. It wasn't doing anything. It wasn't pulling. It did get some hair here and there. I feel like it was trying to catch onto the little peach fuzzes that I have in my face, which those are not a concern. The actual thicker hair that I have, it wasn't doing anything. So I truly believe that this is definitely a waste of $20. Basically, it feels like I spent $20 on a little tweezer, because after trying this for hours and hours trying to figure it out, I Google how to use it, I YouTube how to use it to see how other YouTubers use it. I end up going back to this little tweezer and just pulling the hair out one by one. So I really did not need to pay $20 for a tweezer, which it seems like this is what I end up doing. I ended up paying $20 for a tweezer. But as for me, this product did not work. So if you have tried this product, let me know how it works for you down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.